Inspired by and designed with the patterns of nature, geodesic domes possess energetic qualities that sustain you physically and spiritually. Domes are flooded with natural light and offer optimal ventilation. Corners in a traditional box house result in dark, stagnant, unused spaces. The geodesic shape is capable of withstanding wind and snow loads greater than a box house. Limited only by your imagination, domes have multiple uses, including but not limited to glamping, wellness spaces, and multi-story family homes. Beautiful geodesic architecture stands out against the traditional box house form. With an open floor plan, there are unlimited opportunities to create unique spaces within. Call now for more information.